How to change language in cTrader application. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are in cTrader and want to change the app's language, first of all, open the cTrader app on your device, and once you're inside the login screen, go to the upper right corner and tap on the flag icon. Now you can choose your language you want to change to from the menu. After making this selection, click OK and you will see the language interface changed. So without even logging in, you can always change the language setting in the cTrader app first. Now you can go ahead and sign into your account, and that's it. You can always change to a different language whenever you prefer from the same menu. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.